everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am doing an update video of my previous review that I've posted about 8 months ago about the eufy X10 Pro Omni robot vacuum and mop. So I used in total this robot for about 9, maybe 10 months because, before I released the previous review of the X10 Pro of mine, I've already used this robot for about 3-4 weeks. So that will bring us to about 9, maybe 10 months of every single day usage. So I'm using this robot in my studio. This is where I film my videos and I use it every single day. I use the vac and mop function when it's vacuuming and mopping at the very same time. That's my favorite function. And today I am doing an update video because I want to really share with you guys what happened during this last 9 months, what was my experience with the X10, and I really want to share with you all of the details, and I'd love to highlight all of my experiences. So guys, I concentrated it all by points, so you're welcome to keep on watching and stay tuned because I'm going to tell you exactly what features I loved the most after 9 months of daily usage of the X10. Let's get started. So guys, I'm so very happy to share with you my experience with the X10 Pro Omni. So let's get started with the fact that this is the world's first mop master with 8,000 of PA powerful vacuum abilities. So you can absolutely forget about vacuuming, about mopping, about taking care of your floors. This comes as an absolutely hands-free type of a robotic cleaner. And so one of the most standout features for me of the X10 Pro was the suction power and the cleaning performance. So the suction power of the X10 Pro is so very impressive. There's basically no dirt, no dust, no any dry debris that it cannot collect. It does a fantastic job picking up dirt, debris, and pet hair from all surfaces, including carpets. It's best on carpets as well as hard floors. It's like easy peasy for this vacuum. Even after 9 months of use, I haven't noticed any significant drop in suction performance. The powerful suction makes it highly effective, especially if you are having pets in your home. So this is the strongest suction ever, and it has a one-time cleaning rate of 98.5% of 20 grams mixed garbage cleaning, as per data from eufy's laboratories. Also, it can filter airborne particles of 0.3 micrometer and above, including dust, pollen, mold, bacteria, and way more. The dust collection box is equipped with a high-efficiency air filter with a filtration efficiency of 95% for particles as small as 0.3 micrometer. So definitely a standout feature of the X10 Pro is the self-emptying station. I rarely need to manually empty the dustbin. Actually, after 9 months, I've never done it yet. So the official data says that the self-empty is enough for 60 days of a hands-free. To me, it worked for 90 days so far, and I still have some space at the dustbin. So what's happening is it's self-cleaning. It's going to automatically clean and wash the mops after each use, as well as it's self-drying. It's going to prevent any adorn bacteria with a 45 degrees by Celsius of heated drying of the mops. Also, it's self-refilling, so it is always wet. Map increases the mopping performance. And the station is automatically collects the dirt from the robot's dustbin after each use, of course. And this is what I was talking before about the dustbin. It's been 9 months right now, and I've never changed the dustbin yet. Now it also has the AIC technology that it works with. So this is an amazing obstacle avoidance algorithm, which is coming from a self-driving car industry, from Tesla, for example. It also has a color RGB camera. After capturing images, the object's gonna be recognized by the AI algorithm to identify and categorize objects, mark them, and the robot will even tell you what type of an object it sees. So from my personal experience, the obstacle avoidance ability is absolutely amazing, outstanding one. It never ever in 9 months chewed any type of my stuff, any type of my toddler's toys, of my pet's toys, of cables, nothing. It's avoiding obstacles in an amazing way. Now about the camera, I honestly never used the camera since I reviewed the robot. It worked amazing for me back then, and I'm sure it's still working great. For my personal experience, I never used it because I usually pick up everything from the floor and I turn it on. So I'm not watching it through the camera, that's just a feature which is there and it's amazing to have it. And me personally, I didn't use it. Now guys, let's talk about the mopping function. Love this one. It's incredibly useful. I always use my X10 Pro on vacuum and mop type of a mode, and of course that you have a few modes to choose from, like vacuum only, mop only, vacuum and then mop. Vacuum and mop together, that's my favorite mode to use, and that's basically the main mode that I ever used with this vacuum. It is adjusting its water output based on the cleaning task, so it's never too wet or too dry. Also, the mop can apply a downward pressure of 10 Newtons newtons at 180 RPM. This is approximately equivalent to the gravitation force of a 1 kilogram object. Also, it has the lifting of the mop ability, so it can lift the mop for up to 12 millimeters. So once it's gonna sense a carpet, it's gonna automatically lift the mops up. It has an 80 milliliters water tank, so it's allowing the mop to maintain a moist state while cleaning the floor, ensuring a damp mopping experience. Also, I love the Vshape, which is deeply cleans the walls, the edges. It's using the TOF, a long wall sensor, so the robot is detecting, hey, there is a wall in front of me, and it's gonna travel alongside it to clean it really well. It's making a periodic outward rotations to ensure that the mop cleans along the wall. That's basically a mop that can scrub as hard as you are. I absolutely love the smart navigation and the mapping ability of this robot. So it works on a smart application and you can fully control and customize your robot through the eufy Home smart application. It provides an intuitive and easy to use interface so you can schedule cleaning times, monitor cleaning progress, tell your robot to start mopping, tell your robot to stop, go back to the station, and so very on. The smart navigation system also is a great surprise. It navigates absolutely amazing by going around obstacle. As I said before, it never ever chewed anything from me. I love how quiet it is. Absolutely love it, because who loves a vacuum noise? No one, maybe just newborns, babies, but that's it. The noise level is low enough that it doesn't disturb any of my activities or even conversations that I am having around the robot while it's cleaning. The battery life is also absolutely great. So I am using this one in my studio and it will mop and vacuum twice my studio all around, and it will still have around 20-30% of the battery left. And my studio is about 1,000 square feet in size. All that on a single charge, of course. Now guys, also let's talk about the active detangling brush. So the brush roll comes with a small built-in comb that is smoothly detangles hair and removes it every time it wraps around the brush roll. And since I am using this robotic vacuum for 9 months every single day now, I can tell you that I never ever had to remove hair from the brush. I never even looked at it because I know it's automatically removed. So after 9 months of usage, I have 0 hair on my vacuum's brush. This detangle mechanism was especially designed to ensure any wrapped hair will be detangled easily and will be collected efficiently into the dustbin to the robot's station. As a result, the robot works as efficiently as it's new every single day. So after 9 months of daily using of the eufy X10 Pro Omni robot vacuum and mop, I have a solid understanding of its performance and features. So the best value of the Omni robotic vacuum gonna be for me the 8,000s of PA suction power. So it cleans in an amazing way. I have carpets and hard floors in my studio, and it definitely was able to clean the hard floor in the best way. And I work here a lot. Sometimes I work in my studio with some painting. Most of the times I work with a lot of unboxing and filming, so there's always a lot of dirbuses and garbage on the floor. It was able to vacuum it all easily with no any effort. Also, this is definitely, in my opinion, the best robotic and vacuum mop under $1,000 that you can get out there. Like, the price is extra affordable. If I'm going to compare it to the same style, the same type of robotic vacuums out there on the market, this is extra affordable. Right now it goes on a discount for $800, but you can absolutely find it sometimes for $700 as well. And Black Friday is coming, so definitely there are going to be a great discounts on the Black Friday. I'm pretty sure about that. If there's going to be any discount codes or coupons, I will definitely leave you all the information down below in the description box of this video of mine. You're welcome to check out. The link to my previous video is going to be down below at the description box, as well as, of course, that I'm going to leave you the X10 link too. It's available on Amazon. It's available on the eufy's official website. So you're welcome to explore the options and choose the best platform that will work for you to purchase it. Guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. Please let me know your opinion down below at the comments. Please let me know, what do you think? How do you clean your floors? Do you use any robotic vacuums? Are you using some right now? You ever use them? And of course, I'm gonna definitely highly recommend you guys to check X10 out. And guys, in general, these are my final thoughts. So overall, my experience with the X10 has been extremely positive. In general, after 9 months of everyday usage, it has streamlined my cleaning routine, especially with the self-cleaning and self-emptying features. It's a completely hands-free type of a robot. There's nothing you need to do. And as I told you guys, I never ever changed the dustbin yet, and it's about 25% still empty. So it's truly a hands-free type of vacuum, so I love this experience of mine of that one. So guys, that was actually all for today. Be so very sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a huge thumbs up. I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.